One day, the age of Big Boss's sons will arrive. They'll likely want to settle the score with him. We have to shape that age. Sooner or later, there will be only one boss. There's only room for one boss. His sons are fated to face each other someday, too. If the day ever comes that you go back to Cypher, I'll aid the other son. And then you and I will be enemies, too.
Fine by me.
Les Enfant Terribles. The terrible children.
That madness Zero started. Or the start of his madness. Your sons.
They're no sons of mine. And they're sure as hell not me.
Just a bunch of cells grown in a lab?
What they are is much sicker than that.
Well, Zero doesn't think so. Eva doesn't either. To them, those boys are your clones. They're you, down to the last hair.
And?
The first boys were raised free range, like we thought. Both of them. David has never left the States, but the other, Eli, has disappeared. Might as well call it abandoned.
That's what the project was called. It started in the 1970s. Their plan was to artificially create the most powerful soldier possible. The person that they chose as the model was the man known then as the greatest living soldier in the world.
Big Boss. I don't have any family. No. Wait. There was a man who said he was my father.
Where is he?
Dead. By my own hand.
Was Big Boss really your father?
That's what he said. That's all I know.
You enjoy the killing. That's why.
What?
Are you denying it? Haven't you already killed most of my comrades? There's a killer inside you. You don't have to deny it. We were created to be that way.
Liquid. How the... You've served your purpose. You may die now.
John, if he is alive, what's the plan?
I have nothing to say to him. Treat him like a human being, just another person.
You killed our father with your own hands! You stole my chance for revenge! They used me as a guinea pig to create a phenotype in which all of the dominant genes were expressed to create you! I got all of the recessive genes! You took everything from me before I was even born! You and I are both the last surviving sons of Big Boss.
No! That is not Solid Snake!
Or should I say, Big Brother? It's not over yet!
Liquid! We're not copies of our father, after all.